I remember when I was young, I don't watch TV anymore because when I was young, they used to have proper steerings, Joe. You know a steering, not like play steering, Joe. Why people are like, what's a steering? Hey, you must learn. A steering is when you watch a movie. Remember where we got the word steering? When a show starts, it starts with starring, and then it goes in order of importance. And the first person, after the word starring, that is the guy we as black people adopt as our steering. Now you ask yourself, what does it mean to be a steering? Well, it means you never die the whole fucking movie. No matter what happens, you're going to be fine. We don't panic. Some people will come like, oh my God, Jean-Claude Van Damme, the place just exploded. Do not worry. That man is a steering. He will sort himself out, don't worry. That man, you don't worry. And if a steering dies, he's coming back. You can't just die as a steering, you can't just die. And then white people fucked with our world because you don't know about steerings and made a movie with all the steerings. I was like, no, Expendables. Remember Expendables? Remember all the steerings, Jean-Claude Van Damme, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Chuck Norris, everyone was there. Chuck Norris. I was watching the movie going, hey, no one is dying here. We are the whole movie, no one died. Shit was just blowing up. Yeah, I'll be fine. This is steering.